Cuban coffee is popular for several reasons. First, it is known for its strong and bold flavor, which is derived from the dark roasted coffee beans used in its preparation. The high-pressure brewing method used to make Cuban coffee also produces a thick and rich espresso shot, which many people find appealing. Second, Cuban coffee is traditionally sweetened with demerara sugar, which gives it a distinct and enjoyable flavor profile. The sugar is added to the espresso shot before it is poured, and it creates a sweet and creamy foam on top of the coffee. Finally, Cuban coffee has cultural significance for many people. It is a staple beverage in Cuban culture and is often enjoyed as a social ritual with family and friends. The preparation and consumption of Cuban coffee is seen as a way to connect with others and share in a cultural tradition. Cuban coffee has also gained popularity in other parts of the world, particularly in the United States, where it is often associated with the vibrant Latin American culture of Miami and other cities with large Cuban populations.